Honestly speaking, we are apprehensive because of the ongoing operations by the Chadians. Right now, most of the Boko Haram are fleeing the shores of the Lake Chad, the areas of the Chad Republic, and they are now coming to the northern Borno state and then to southern Borno state. And there's need for us to now provide some counter. This is the right time that the government of Nigeria, under his leadership, will do everything possible to support the MNJTF and others to be proactive enough to contain the situation, to deal with them decisively with a view to ending the crisis, so that they shouldn't occupy some other areas in the northern states as well as in the Sambisa Reserve. My deputy governor, who is the chairman of the coronavirus pandemic committee, is doing very well. We have stopped vehicular movement into Maiduguri, but passengers are good, unless if and only if such movements are very necessary. Our indigents coming from abroad, we stop them from coming, and if they must come, I think we are taking them straight to the isolation centers. We have huge number of IDP camps. We have taken some measures, including frequent checkings and testings and so on.